Why did you decide to photograph the desert?
Because it was holy ground. I like the space. I like that everything's exposed and all the signs of time are visible. And the sort of formation of the surface of the earth is visible. You know, in a picture like this, it's you're seeing the trace of water as it moves through the space, but you never see water here. Everything that's visible to you is visible only because of the presence of something that's absent. And that's like the desert to me in sort of a nutshell. And photography.
When did you first discover the desert? You're an upstate New York boy.
I don't know. I was born in Denver, and I think we drove around a lot. I was like really little, but being outside is what was always important. But I came out to the desert in 1994, the first time. Made a bunch of bad pictures.
Oh.
Explain where this is at?
It's a pool of water. It's the reflection of the night sky. You can kind of see star trails here.
Mm-hmm.
That's Venus, and the wind is rippling the water. So it's breaking up the reflection. This is the same sun as the other sun, just very brief exposure.
You mean the same day?
As the one that turned gray?
Yeah.
So that was 15 seconds. This is a 500 at f64. It's just.
Did you change any of the focus or?
No, I just left it the same. Shot 2 sheets.
15 seconds is eternity in photography.
Yeah. I like that sort of the extremes. The desert's all about extremes, so it's fitting to include those polar opposites.
So when you published your book, would you just scan the film?
I scanned the negatives, I
Yeah.
drum scanner.
Okay.
And I made inkjet proofs for match prints. The inkjet proofs look pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
But I would not have, I could make these prints look pretty decent on inkjet, but I would not have been able to make the work. The work would not exist the way it exists if I had done it in inkjet first.
Yeah.
It was all about being in the dark room.
Right. Yeah. And could a print like this be made as beautiful in the digital lamp?
I don't know, the proof I have looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Doesn't have the same life to it, you know?
Right. Right.
Because
I mean,
what we're dealing with is sand and silver grain, you know? And that you can see that relationship.
Right.
I think an inkjet would sort of lose that.
Yeah.
If I had a bunch of money, I would print them all, edition it all out, because I'm afraid that it's in no way. The material.
When was that one? What time of day?
Noon. One hazy sun after desert fire. Dead citizens.
Is that one the same composition as the one with the,
Yep.
yeah,
Yeah, it's the same. This is after it.
okay.
This is after the sun went down. It's rare. Sometimes I think that it happens quite often, but it's rare that there's pictures from the same sort of journey, you know, but things happen in groups sometimes.
Where's the light coming from?
Sort of above and behind. It's a canyon. It's, you know, I could print it a lot lighter.
Oh, I see.
It's pushed down.
It looks like enclosed. Or, I mean, there's-
Yeah, I mean, it's the light's up here, but it's just it's pretty dark to begin with. But I just sort of dropped it all down like 2 stops below.
Why do you guys think you titled this one Transfigurations?
Yeah, I'm wondering that myself.
Is it the moon?
The moon, yeah.
Why is it seem to stop like straight?
Well, that is a cloud,
Mm-hmm.
and it's, you know, it's a half moon. It's rounded on the bottom when it's setting. The top is sort of, you know how the moons are when they're sort of half like that.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense.
Where was this one taken?
Utah. Overlooking the canyon there.
No answers to my question? Is that rhetorical?
Well,
Sorry.
a lot of the pictures, I mean, especially ones of like the same scene, I mean, you're looking at things that are changing, or how you can transform things by the way that you're looking at them. I mean, by manipulating like how long you stare at the sun. I mean, changes it into something that it's not actually how you can normally see it. And then from what you said about the desert, about how it's always being changed by things that you can't see.
Yeah, I think that's a good answer. I mean, it's hard for me to describe why I named it that, but, you know, I mean, I'm interested in transformation, but there's something different for me between the figure and form. It's also kind of, I'm not a religious person, but there's definitely spiritual connotations to the word transfiguration. I never saw that word anywhere, you know. I kind of knew it was a biblical thing, and I didn't know where else it was, and then I see it all over the place now. I mean, I've seen Siskin use it, Minor White
Oh,
use
really?
it. Yeah, I didn't know they ever used that word. Why do you think I knew the transfiguration?
Why do I think so?
No!
Well, I mean, I think it's because on the surface this is landscape.